how you can make calls with Discord on iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Discord app, and once we open it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen. So now you can see there is LS at the left side, which is basically a my group, and NS, which is someone else. So let's tap on NS, and now you can see in voice channel section there is a general. So let's go to the general first, and finally you can see at the left side there is some pink kind of icon. It's someone's profile picture, so just tap on that pink profile picture, and afterward now you can see there is a message, voice call, video call, and add friend option in here. So just tap on the voice call if you want to call someone you want to, and yeah, you will be able to make a call with Discord app using iPhone successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to make calls with Discord on iPhone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.